Legos. You got Legos. Where's the airplane?
What a fun toy. Oh, sorry.
Where's the
baby.
robot?
Sorry.
Good.
Boy, Grandma.
What is this? It's a Hot Wheels racetrack. What fun. Where's the motorcycle? See the boy on the motorcycle?
Give it to Grandpa.
What about airplane? Where's the
She
airplane?
can say the whole
Give
alphabet
it to
already.
Grandpa.
And she recognizes about 3 different
good.
letters at this point.
Very
I
good.
think she knows W, O, and
What's
S.
this?
S for Stevenson.
Yeah, they're taking the milk. Princess. The fairy princess. There's Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell.
What's wrong, Nora?
Yeah. Strawberry shortcake.
What's going on?
Those are teenagers.
Okay.
Okay. Come here. Guitar. Hey.
She loves her daddy. Oh, look at her smile for the camera.
Where's Cookie Monster?
You are funny one. You are funny one.
Do some walking?
You
I haven't
funny.
got you on camera doing walking yet.
She walked pretty good there. Oh,
It's a guitar. We're playing music.
Did you figure out how to breathe through your nose?
That's the keys. That's for Tinker. That's for making music. Where's the kitty cat? Where's the teddy bear? The teddy bear? Kitty cat. Train. Who's this? Bye. What's that? Bye. Isn't that the same? Look, bye. Yeah, look. I got that. Bye. Same. Bye-bye, Grandpa.
bye-bye.
Grandpa.
Puppy
Bye
dog.
bye, Grandpa.
Yeah.